So I've got a 3 hard drive here. I've got a carries that I want to, because I got a server that doesn't fit 2.5 inches. So I bought this one second hand, so I'm gonna see if I can fit it, and then I'll be read this SSD drive. They are SAT drives, 600 gigs SAT drives, and I'll be rate this one as striping red 0 or maybe red 5. So yeah, that's cool, nice little controller board here. It will convert it to SATA drive, as you can see, and the SAT drive we're just gonna go underneath here. Over there, you basically just slide, push it in place, and I'm gonna put few screws because I have a little, not enough screws, so we probably put 2 in each corner, maybe 3. So let's try that. Slightly off. It just, there's a hole in here. There's 4 holes where you can fit this. Screw it on. So just move this one around, and so you can see now. So they're meant to be 4 each. So only have the numbers of screws, so I'm just gonna put 2 in this one, and then make sure they are secure on each corners. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Now I've got a server that I will install this, and I will show you when it's completed. So the next ones do the same thing if it does, but I just don't have enough time to clean them. So just to install them, you just slide them in place like this, so it's locked. Now ideally put the screw in that corner first, so it holds. You could just hold this one so it doesn't break the socket, the SATA connector. So this one I got enough, so it's just gonna, well, it's gonna put 3 anyway. So you want to put another one here which you have spare, but I'm okay with it. 3. So there's another one done. That's 2 done. 1 more to go. Same thing. We just slide on this, and then make sure they line up, and then just push it in place. Easy as. Hold down, or you put the screw on. Start from here, I think would be a good option, and then you can release this because they'll have screw on it. Screw in here, and another one. So that's 3 done. Now I was gonna go get server, and hopefully I can get this one installed. Thank you. So here's my server. Just gonna remove the cover. So basically, this is nice and tidy server. So I've got a backup drive here that I want to replace them. And they're very easy to install. You just remove like that. that's my 2 TB drive. And so just click that part, and then you just pull this lock mechanism bracket, and then they just force it and push it up, so saving you. It's so convenient, so easy, like that. So 3 drive that I want to, I'm going to swap it. And there's another one here. I'm probably just gonna leave that one there for the time being. Okay. Now, so you're gonna have to remove those one there, the screw. Let's move on the socket. So let's try the first one. It doesn't fit. So if it doesn't fit, obviously you have to try another one that perfectly fit. So let's remove that, swap here. Because this one doesn't require screw, so you basically just remove those one and put it in there. It should easily, I'll show you how to do that. First of all, get rid of this screw. Like so. One. So it's going to be a lot faster in terms of speed wise, because they are SSD. Even faster if I configure to RAID configuration. But no, we'll see. We'll see. It just experiments right at the moment. But I bought those second hand, so it's pretty good price. When I get this, can't wait. So the operating system that I'm gonna be installed on this one, probably gonna be Windows 10. Oh, could put Server 2012 maybe. I don't know. We'll see. For this hard drive, you just pull this one a little bit, and then let's just use a little bit of just went back and locked it again. Okay, locked it. So I just take the last one out, because I think I went too far over there, so you couldn't see them. So basically the drive is there, so you just pull this one like that, and then this one just use your thumb and push it out, so you can see it come out like that. And now you should be able to just, so use your thumb, pull out both lock, and then they come out quite easily. See? So same thing the way you put it back. So you just go to the corner like that, each corner, and then pull this one out, and that one locks in place, and then you just go like that, and the other one just go in the hole. Easy. Hope you can do that. I did it. Thank you. So just gotta be careful. We could break that, because that meant to be inside, right? Okay, so the first one is, let's go angle, put it on angle instead of straight. Will it fit? That's the question. Come on. Yes, it does. Good stuff. Oh, I thought it's not gonna fit, but it does fit. Oh, nice one. So the first one done. First one go in there. So you can see how easy you basically just make sure this one doesn't go down first, and you just push it. This one starts coming down, and you just locked it. Wow, cool. The next one is just pretty much doing the same thing. Don't want to break this thing. There you go. Same thing with this one. I don't have the real technique, so basically you just go to get this corner and then followed by this one. Now this one could just follow. It can be easy. In some cases can be difficult. So second one done. And just gonna go there. So hold this one. Is it in? Yep. Feel like it's all nice and level. That's lucky last. Hopefully I don't break this. Pretty stiff. As far as I can see. I can tell. Oh, there you go. Nice and easy. So that will go into my backup another server. And so basically just hold this in place, slide this one in, get the angle corner. You might need to pull this one a little bit so it open up, and this one will go like that. Same as that one, pull it, lock, pull, lock. Oh, after you've done the second two of them, the third one much easier. Alright, so this one gonna go exactly the same. Done. Now I'm just gonna set it up and see how it goes. Just a quick tour on my one of my server here. Well, I got it open, so just showing you. I've got only a single processor here. Just a single processor, Xeon. Not too sure what the speed is, but yeah, there are two memory modules on each processor, and I got a standard graphic card, Quadro NVIDIA, and all my SATA drives are installed, so just can't wait to see what it does and how fast. So yeah, we'll bring it up soon. I'm just gonna go and set it up shortly. It's a nice and tidy unit. Okay, so there's plenty of SATA slots, you can see that. I'll probably have about 8 spares, so you can install another 8 drives in it. So after you've done the storage and confirm that SATA mode is set to red and HGCI, save the configuration F10 and exit it out. Come back to this one, press F10, and then go from here. You gotta do power on options, and then you need to enable post message. Hit arrow key or spacebar on your keyboard, and then you gotta save the configuration F10 and save change. Okay, once you done two of this option, storage, advanced, power on option, you go down to device option. You should see or SATA or set option. Just double check, make sure that they are enabled, and that it is enabled now. So using your arrow key on your keyboard to change enable disable. So done that. Because I have set drive, so the reason why they come up with set option, that is why. Now save the change. If you have SATA, there will be SATA. So just and the other thing that I come across with the RAID configuration, if your secure boot configuration was enabled like that, you won't be able to configure your RAID configuration. So please make sure this one is disabled and legacy support is enabled, and then F10 to save the change. There's a lot of thing that I thought it should be easy, but it didn't. So all right, now we should be all good now, and now you should see the RAID configuration come up on the screen. Be ready to press Ctrl C to go into RAID configuration. Ctrl C. So I just press Ctrl C, and now it's gonna go into the configuration setups menu. Okay, so now we need to, I've got 3 SAS drive in there, so we're just gonna go to RAID configuration, create the, first of all, I think we need to clear the RAID, but it's not, they don't have any option in here. So for RAID 1, you have to have at least 2 drive plugged into the system. So I've got 3 here, but if you don't have any concern about redundancy but you want speed, then this is the best option. Otherwise you go to the second and the third one. In this tutorial I'm gonna do RAID 1, so I don't care about the data, so we're just gonna go ahead with this one. So there are 3 drive, and I just go across, press the space bar key, and now this message come up. So, okay, so just press C to create the, somehow this one doesn't allow me to. Okay, it's only 2 drive, that's the reason why. Okay, let's go back that. I want 3. Discard the change. I'll go back there again. Let's do try RAID 0. That might works in RAID 0. Yes, it does. So let's do this one. That'll be alright. Mirror. Okay, press C to create the drive, save change, and exit the menu. Cool. Now escape out and escape again, save change and reboot. Exit configuration and reboot, save change and reboot. Yep. So we just configured to RAID 0. It should be okay in terms of speed wise. All right, so can't wait and see how long does it take to install the Windows 10. So your bootable, make sure is that's both legacy and UEFI support in order to run this Windows 10 installation. Cool. To clean up the hard drive partition, I usually hold the chip key in F10. So it's going to the DOS command. Then you just type in this part. So you can see how many partitions are there. So this part, enter list disk. After that, list disk. And there are, see, there's one disk drive here. It's about 12 gigs. 12. I want this 0. Yep, and then clean. You can clean all, so it will take a lot of time. So just clean quickly. I'll just do a quick cleanup. So exit drive, or you can just close there. So now click next to install the operating system. Hopefully we'll have all the drivers. Don't care about Windows key for now. In this case, I'm just gonna install Windows 10 Professional. Next 64-bit. And accept the term and condition. Go next. We don't want to upgrade, so we want to custom install, like fresh install from scratch. So there it is, one drive there found. Go next. So I'm gonna time it now and see how long does it take. And obviously it depends on your USB drive, which if you install on USB 2, 3 or 1, it's different. So subject to those as well. Install on USB 2 at the moment, so not that great, but probably still fast. And so far it's been about 2 minutes. So just remove the bootable USB drive, just in case this can go back to boot. And it's been 3 minutes, excluding the reboot parts. So it's been about 4 minutes now. This is so excited. It must be faster. So far so good than standard starter drive that I've been working on in the past. So a standard starter drive installation Windows took about an average 6 minutes, maybe 6.5. So yeah, it's about 6 minutes, almost 6 minutes. So it's about 10 seconds left. That is awesome. Cool. So I hope you enjoy the videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It would encourage me to put more videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next videos. Have a good one.